Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
I've been crying from all the way from Uber till I got to my apartment. I'm a scaredy cat. I don't have mind. I'm a softie. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Let's go!
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong.
I have a list of things I want to do, but I just keep procrastinating. Probably because they are like dangerous things, and I'm trying to prepare myself mentally and physically for them. I want to go hiking. I want to go skydiving. I want to do all of that, but I'm still trying to prepare myself. I'm scared. Anyways.
Hi guys, welcome back to my Pretty Loner series. Today we are doing something chilled and then a crystal bath close to the sea. I know that's crazy, but don't judge me. I just think I would love it. I don't know why. I'm moving this in the car. So I'm kind of late now, so let's go.
Doesn't stop moving things, so sorry.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Good boy.
So how are you today?
I'm fine.
Is there anything else that you want to expand to like your emotions in the mental state?
Yeah, like generally, I'm really not like very stressed.
What's your supposed to do? Yeah, Cancer is a caregiver.
Yeah,
You see, that's also this new moon. You should actually feel a lot.
yeah. I've been feeling a lot, a whole lot.
Yeah, me too. I've been crying this morning in my car.
Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry.
I know. But once you do it, then it's gone.
Yeah.
So touching makeup, I'm like, okay, good to go.
What's your star sign?
Pisces.
Pisces.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't know too many Cancerian. I mean, I don't know men who are Cancerian. But yeah, I think, it's burning that needs the shift?
Yeah, actually, there's a lot that
Okay. Normal crystals, rose quartz. So these are the crystals. And then according to like what I'm going to choose, I'm going to find which crystal goes where.
Okay.
And as I said, I'm going to speak to the crystal to activate it. So don't worry, I'm not going to talk the whole time. And then just let go. Like whatever comes up, comes up. If you fall asleep, you fall asleep. If it's too much, it's just, there's no right or wrong. Because this is going to like shift your energy, your frequency, and then just take away what needs to be taken away, or will show you what you need to see or know.
Okay.
That's it. So, and every time you have a session of energy healing, it's always different. It's always different. So, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
So I need to have you heart to heart. Sorry, there's listen. So heart to heart. So usually I put one down and then one on top of you. How do you feel?
Whichever one.
Because of the wind, will you be cold? Do you want to be like this? Should I put something on you? How?
Yeah, I'm not cold. I'm good.
It's up to you. Like if I put just two down so it's comfortable, or one down and one on
Two
top
down
of
so
you.
it's comfortable.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And like that. Then I'm going to see where I put the crystals. Much better that you lie down, hands like this on both sides. Yes. Okay. I'm just going to put under the shoulders. Under your shoulders. Yeah. Don't worry. If it moves, I will check on you and put it back.
Okay.
So you can just relax. If you're bothered by something, let me know. I'm so sorry
Okay.
about the wind, but just go with it. Alright. Just I'm gonna put this on you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
The one under here. If it's too tight, let me
No,
know.
it's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm gonna put the crystal here.
Okay. Welcome back to the Pretty Loner series. Today I'm going for my friend's birthday party. We're doing a yacht party. Yay! I got flowers yesterday, and the flower came with gifts, of course. They're so cute. Cute. From my friend. Yeah. I'm kind of late. I'm late. Bye. I had an issue with my Uber, and this kind gentleman helped me out. Literally almost cried, you guys. I almost cried because this guy was frustrating me. I wanted to come down from the car, and he was zooming off, and I've hit my head on the floor. He's so wicked. Hi, everybody. I've not been in my best mood, you guys. Just been somebody I know took their own life. Really got to me yesterday. I could not sleep. Like, I was just thinking the whole night, like, oh my gosh, why did he not text me or text somebody? Why did he do it? Like, it's so crazy. It's sad. It's really sad. It just made me think, and I'm even more grateful for like, coming out from a very dark space, a very dark place. Mental health matters. Yeah. So I'm shooting for a friend. Shooting for her brand today. So she's bringing what I'm wearing. So this is just like the base, and we're doing a check-in, and so I'll show you guys this. Yeah. Let me show you. Let me on this tracking. Let me show you the bag I got. The bag I got as a gift with the flowers the other day. So yeah, this is the bag I got. Ta-da! This is my first Amiri bag. I don't know. I just always used to think that the brand caters for not just male. I just feel like they focus more on male things. But this is not bad. What do you think? This is actually so different from my style, but I actually appreciate it. It's nice. It's thoughtful. Yeah, I like it. Do we like it? Tell me if you like it. Do you like it? Anyways, we'll go to the shoot together. We're doing everything together because you are my bestie. No, I'm gonna look for another name for you. Alright, give me a few days. I'll come up with a name. Okay? Bye.
You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look pretty when you're fucking with me. For me to see, I'ma show you what I mean to be loved. You're 22, two at the handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby.
When is the last thing I went down to
Rap.
Okay.
Hey you. Welcome back to my Pretty Loner series. You guys, I've been having so much fun that I forgot to record. No, like I forgot. I didn't want to, because I just wanted to, live in the moment. I have to vlog everything, even though I like showing you guys most of it. But like I had so much fun with my friends. I went on a private yacht cruise. I went out. I did so many things. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is like the best weekend ever since I've been here. Yeah. And I kind of felt sick because of too much enjoyment, I guess. And this guy didn't put the parts in the middle. Shit. Anyways,
So yeah, I'm going to have breakfast. I'm doing something crazy later. Oh my gosh! I don't know. I think I'm gonna chicken out. I'm going paragliding. Is that what it's called? Paragliding, I guess. Whew, my heart is skipping. I already booked it. That's my money I paid for hiking. I wasted that money. So I'm trying to do this, but I'm scared. I feel like after I do this, nobody can hurt me again because my mind will be beam. My heart is going to be very strong. It's gonna be freaking strong. So let's go. Hi, welcome back to my Pretty Loner series. You guys, I'm going through it. Like the pre-cramps, the everything that comes with period. Oh my God, just dealing with me. There's something I usually do and something I take. Well, I'm on vacation, so I don't have that with me. I'm going through it, man. Yesterday, I could not do the paragliding because they said the weather was bad. So we're doing it today. I can't wait for my mom's reaction when I send her the video. She's like, take it away. You guys, I think I'm going to add the reaction. Do you think you guys want to see the reaction? Let me know. I'll post it on my TikTok. I can't wait for her reaction. She's gonna disown you. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I'm going now. I think we're meeting at Signal Hill. I'm going to I'm kind of scared, let me not lie. But I have to do this. I have to do this. Mary too have to do this. I have to do this. Yeah, there's a reason I have to. I just have to do it. Just well. Woof. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We can do fighting.
Brave will take us off.
So I must hold this.
Because we're gonna
Just for the take off.
Okay.
So you must fly with your phone.
Okay.
When you land, they will put your pictures on it.
Okay.
Okay. So for now,
Thank you.
Barbara, I'll tell you to run. Please do not sit down, keep on running.
Here.
There.
Okay. No problem.
Right.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go do that. Here's your phone.
Thank you so
Good luck.
much. Yeah, thank you so much. This Uber guy is so nice.
Merit, how are you feeling?
Scared?
You should be scared of things that you don't want to do. You should be happy with the things that you can do. Not scared. Are you ready to walk forward?
Yeah.
Let's walk. Oh, no, foot was standing on me. Right, let's run. Right. Okay, let's run. One guy, she's not gonna. She's sitting down. Okay, now we're gonna sit down.
Oh my god.
right, guys, flying with Merit. She's still freaking out. But I'll use one hand to help her with the photos.
and I'll try and drive this one thing. This is the view we've got from up here. Beautiful views. Merit, what have you got to say?
It's so beautiful. Oh my God.
What have you got to say? Talk to the camera.
Hi, I'm enjoying the ride. Cape Town is so beautiful. And it's so windy, kind of.
How stunning is this, Merit?
It's so stunning. It's so beautiful.
This is the way to see Cape Town.
Yeah. This is the only way to see Cape
I've
Town.
got the camera. I just want to do need the videos to be the same. Hi guys, flying with Merit here. She's still holding on for dear life. She thinks if she holds on and this thing closes up above us, don't think she's going to help her. It's not really going to help her, right?
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Hi guys, that's the view from up here. Beautiful view. Merit, what have you got to say?
I'm amazed.
Amazing. Very good. We're coming in for landing. You're going to take your left hand.
Yeah.
You're going to put it in the middle here.
Okay.
Then you're going to take the camera.
Yeah.
You're going to put your right hand also in the middle here.
Okay.
Both your hands is going to be in the middle here.
Okay.
Once they're there and I'm happy, I'm going to ask you to stand up.
Okay.
With your hands in the middle.
Okay.
Do not grab onto anything. Just stand up nice. And landing is on up. Look the front. Say it. Go, Merit. How does it go, Merit?
Oh my gosh.
It's here. Let's try that again.
No, please. No.
What, Merit?
No, I'm scared.
I'm not scared.
Please, let's land.
Right, Merit, left hand in the middle. Take the camera up, right hand in the middle. Beautiful. Are you ready to stand up? 3, 2, 1, let's stand up. Arms in front, Merit. Merit, straight out in front, straight out. Straight out. Let's stand up. Arm next to you. Arms in front.
Okay.
It's just if you fall forward, you've got something to drop your foot.
Okay.
Put your arms far away. On your feet. Stand. Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Okay. You take it off.
Which one?
The
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, cool.
Thank you. You guys, and I just cried. Nobody can ever break my heart again. My heart is so freaking strong now. I did paragliding. You guys, I was crying. I've been crying from all the way from the Uber till I got to my apartment. And I know I'm dramatic, but like, this is just different for me because I'm a scaredy cat. I don't have mind. I'm a softie. I was like, I've been trying to do this for a long time, for years. I've been trying to do this. But, you know, as the queen of procrastination and the scaredy cat that I am, I couldn't do it. And today I'm like, Merit, you have to face your fears. Once in a lifetime thing. No, maybe I'm going to do it again. I don't know. But like, I did it. Wow. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. Whew. That was scary. Intriguing. That was fascinating. That was the coolest thing I've done in my entire life. I've gone under the ocean. That was so beautiful. But like this, viewing the whole city from the sky. Oh my God, that is something everybody needs to freaking do. And another thing that got me emotional was my Uber guy. Like, you know, like God loves me so much. Like everywhere I go, I don't even stress or bother about anything anymore because God will always place somebody there. If I don't feel loved, God will send somebody to make me feel loved. If I feel alone, if I need somebody to even do my content, I'll be like, who's going to do my content for me? Somebody will just be there to do it. Such a blessed girl. God is a girl's girl. God is a girl's man. Anyways,
the Uber guy, he asked me where I was going, and I told him I was going for paragliding. Yeah. And he was just talking about, he even stopped by the way for me to make videos. Like, Nigerian Ubers would never. He stopped, I made videos, and he took me there. And he came down from, he came down from his car and was telling the guy, please take good care of her. I thought he had even left when I was struggling because they were wearing me those stuff. I was trying to vlog for YouTube, trying to make normal videos. And he came and he took both my camera and my phones, and he was like, let him help me record. He was recording everything. You know, he was so, I love him. He's an old man and he's so kind. I wish I even took his number so I would tell him about my experience, but I didn't. And you know, Uber, you can't get their numbers after you end the trip. So yeah, he was there. I felt like, you know, father's love. I felt it. And when I was going, he was, you know, talking to me, don't be scared. You can do this. You can do that. And he hugged me and I did it. God bless that man. It just made me cry because like having that kind of fatherly attention and love. Oh my God. It's so amazing. I did it. I'm proud of myself.
Stevie BB's is always Stevie BB's is always
So this is rain, Simeon, dust, moon. I'm scared to go closer. Oh, this is ice. Yeah, so this is ice. I think I'm going with ice today. Well, I don't know if ice wants to go with me.
You're going to take rain over here. And sorry, what is your name? Peter, you're going to take dust.
Dusty.
You're going to climb up onto the top step.
I'm scared.
No, you don't need to be scared. You're going to be right up at the top, then you're going to put your leg over. Yeah. So press it down and like this, if you're standing, push your heel down. Yeah, like that. There we go.
Okay.
Right. Okay, so you're going to have one in each hand. You're going to have to put that maybe down in here.
Okay.
Okay, so one in this hand and one in this hand. Like that, yeah. So if you want to turn this way, you're going to pull gently this side.
Okay.
Same thing that side, and stop is both.
Okay. You man, come close to me. Are you recording me? Okay. Shake it. Oh my gosh. I'm leaving. I'm freaking leaving, you guys. Okay. guys, that's a deer. I don't know if you guys can see it up close. And that's a zebra. This is the first time I'm seeing a zebra in real life. Wow.
So these are the big ones are females,
Oh yeah.
2 babies, and we've got another 1 female and 1 male. They're probably in the bushes.
You guys, so these are the zebras and this is the giraffe. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that giraffe. Yeah, we can go a bit more. This way. Yeah, I want to go. It's not moving. Hi. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. This is the most beautiful thing ever. Hey guys, this is so cool. But I feel like the horse has a mind of its own, obviously. And it's scary. Just do whatever I say. What's his name again?
Rain.
Rain. So my horse's name is Rain. And he's been a good boy so far. Oh, shit. I think I'm tired.
Tired.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Yeah, OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy?